Hi guys, today we're in the shower and we're going to replace the light bulb of this damp resistant Lightolier fixture.
Remember that safety is first and shut off all the power before starting to work.
So the first step is to remove the fixture. In order to do that, we'll place our fingers between the ceiling and the cover and we'll try to start pushing down little by little. So eventually you will feel there are two metal springs here, and they will start to come out. Just push it and it will come out easily. So now that the fixture came out, we'll press these two pair of wires together and down so that the cover can come out. So we press it and you can see that the cover is slowly beginning to go down. Now that the cover is down, we can have access to the old bulb. So you just remove it like this and take it out. So now we will place the new bulb inside. So now that the bulb is inside, we'll slowly take these two wires and just push it up again so that the cover goes back to its place. So the last step is to place the fixture back. In order to do this, we'll push these metal springs. There is one here and one on the other side. We will push them at the same time, so making sure that they do not touch any parts or covers inside the fixture. Just make sure of that, and pushing it we'll slowly push the cover back inside. This concludes our video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have an excellent day.